Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to switch over between GUI to text mode and text mode to GUI in CentOS Stream 9 operating system. So first I am showing you a GUI mode. From here I am going to switch over to text mode by just pressing the shortcut key Alt Control F6 or Alt Control F7. So now I am switch over to text mode. So from text mode I am logging in. From here I am going to once again switch over to GUI mode just by pressing Alt Control F6 or Alt Control F7. Yes, so now I switch back to GUI mode. So shortcut keys Alt Control F1 to Alt Control F7. So 7 keys will be used for toggling. In my scenario, I am using 2 shortcut keys, Alt Control F6 and Alt Control F7 for toggling between GUI mode to text mode and text mode to GUI mode. So check from your side what are the keys are compatible, and this is the CentOS Stream 9 virtual machine running on VirtualBox. Please check what are the keys compatible for you.